Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account because standard accounts cannot rename other profiles. Once done, decide if you are changing a Microsoft account name online or a local account name on the PC. Open Settings, go directly to Accounts and select your info. You're taking the first actionable step now. If it's a Microsoft account, you'll switch to the Web Profile Edit. If local, continue inside Control Panel for the next step. Now continue the change itself. If you chose Microsoft, click Manage My Microsoft Account, sign in if prompted, then edit your name on the profile page. Changes sync to Windows when connected. For a local account, open Control Panel, go to User Accounts, choose Change Your Account Name, type the new name and confirm. Make sure to hit Save or OK. Once the change is applied, sign out or restart to force Windows to refresh the displayed profile name across the start. Finish by verifying the new name in 3 places: the Start menu, the lock screen, and Settings accounts. If the name didn't update, sign out and sign back in, or restart to refresh cached UI elements. For Microsoft account edits, make sure sync is enabled and you have an internet connection so the cloud change propagates. If problems persist, run WS Reset or toggle sync off and on, then wait a few minutes. These steps resolve most propagation and cache-related issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.